Thursday, and we are just about to do our last day of school. We're gonna check out around 11, and then we're gonna head straight to Port Canaveral. We'll be there around dinner time, so it'll all work out. All right, guys, we just got picked up from school, and they say we have to open these presents before we go. So I'm not sure, like, anything we're supposed to.
Let's just do it. Let's
Okay.
just do it. Dive in. Like Christmas.
We got our football. Guys, there GoPro. Wait, no. All right, guys, we're going to eat. All right, guys, we're about to eat. All right, guys, we just got here. We're at the hotel. We're gonna check in. We'll meet you when we get back from eating. We're on the second floor of 3, and we're at the Holiday Inn Express. So we'll meet you when we get to our room. It's a bit dark in here, guys, but we just turned on the lamp, so it'll be fine.
Ooh, look at the pool.
There's a pool. Okay, we've been here before. This looks exactly like the one we've been out before.
A lot of hotels are the same.
Oh. Alright, guys, we'll see you in the morning because we're finished eating and I'm stuffed. Are you happy to eat hotel breakfast in the morning?
Yes.
I am too. Alright, guys, it's now 5:30 in the morning. It's about 4:30 for us. It's really early, but I don't care. We're going to see a rocket launch. Alright, guys, we're going back to the beach now. In a minute, I guess.
Yeah, the old one. Sure.
It is freezing.
Megan's got her shoes
guys.
on.
We're both
The
recording.
rocket launch is gonna happen soon. Hi, I'm recording with my new GoPro, guys. How you like it?
Awesome.
I like it like
The
this.
sunrise.
Blast my face out if you put this on YouTube.
Yeah, she doesn't want to be shown.
Why
So
not?
just don't show her.
You can see the sunset now. What is that? That's a rocket. Whoa! Whoa! That's a big one! Oh my god! It looks like a kind of. This is amazing! Oh my gosh! Look at it!
Guys, that light is the rocket. It's really cool. It's going higher and higher.
I can see like the dust behind it. This is so awesome. It's going at a diagonal way. They can literally see the trail behind it. I'll show both of our point of views. Kayla shows more of the trail. I'm gonna go over here. Is it going up anymore? They can still barely see the dot. Guys, this is amazing. They can still see the line dot. That's cool, the trail it made. No, I can tell it's moving. Just make it look like it. This is where we came from. Now you know. It was pitch black less than 30 minutes ago.
Like it was a piece of trash. Like, hold on.
There's a piece of trash over there. Yep, there's the lights that were glowing earlier. They're there, and there. That one's still on for some reason. Leftover cinnamon roll and yummy water. Is this cool, Kayla?
Here's a thing in the car.
Huh? Is this awesome?
Yeah.
She's trying to get her seatbelt. Pretty easy. Grab this and.
You have to get one of these pay stations.
Alright, guys, we went to Starbucks and Walmart, and we're just about to head home, and we'll see you when we're about to be on the cruise.